Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture, we discussed about oxidation state and how to calculate oxidation state of different element in different compound. Now we calculate oxidation state in two more compound. The first compound is magnetic iron oxide. Its formula is Fe3O4. Formula indicate that there are 3 atoms of iron and 4 atoms of oxygen. And the sum of oxidation state in algebraic expression is equal to 0. Here we find the oxidation state of iron, which is represented by X, and there are 3 atoms of iron, so X is multiplied by 3. And 4 atoms of oxygen. Oxidation state of oxygen is -2, so we multiply 4 by -2. Algebraic expression becomes 3x minus 8. After simplifying this algebraic expression, the value of x is equal to 2.6. So the oxidation state of iron in magnetic iron oxide is 2.6. In case of sodium sulfate, the formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. There are 2 atoms of sodium, 1 atom of sulfur, and 4 atoms of oxygen. The sum of algebraic expression of this compound is equal to 0. There are 2 atoms of sodium. Sodium belongs to group 1A, so we multiply 1 by 2, and X is represented for sulfur. We have to determine the oxidation state of sulfur in sodium sulfate. There are 4 atoms of oxygen. Oxidation state of oxygen is -2. So algebraic expression is become +2 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. After simplification, its value is equal to +6. So the oxidation state of sulfur is equal to 6 in sodium sulfate. Now students, we discuss today oxidation reaction. As diagram show that the common example of oxidation reaction is the burning of wood or the rusting of iron. Basically, the oxidation reaction means that the general meaning is oxid mean oxygen and ation means addition. Generally we describe as the addition of oxygen, but chemically we define it by 3 ways. That is the loss of electron, gain of oxygen, and loss of hydrogen. First one is the loss of electron, or in other way we can say that removal of electron. When oxidation state is increased by loss of electron, it's called oxidation. For example, Na is converted to Na plus 1 electron. As we studied in the rules of oxidation state, for free elemental state or uncombined form, the oxidation state assigned as 0. So we written as sodium in metallic form as 0. When sodium loses 1 electron, because it belongs to group 1A and its oxidation state is +1, so it can be easily lose 1 electron, and the loss of electron is written on the right hand side of the equation. The charge on the sodium is +1. अब इस इक्वेशन में हमारे पास सोडियम की जो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है वो 0 है. जब वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज़ करते हैं तो +1 उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट हो जाता है. डेफिनेशन हमें ये बता रही है कि जब ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट हमारे पास बढ़ जाती है, यानी 0 से वो +1 हो गई, तो इट मीन्स डैट कि इट्स इज़ एन ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. Same with the case of magnesium. As magnesium belongs to group 2, its oxidation state assigned is 0. It can be easily lose 2 electron. 2 electron is written on the right hand side of the expression or equation, and the oxidation state of magnesium is +2. Its oxidation state is increased from 0 to +2, so it is an oxidation reaction. In third example, Fe plus 2, that is iron 2, it can be lose 1 electron and can be converted into Fe plus 3. In this case, the oxidation state is increased from +2 to +3, so it is an oxidation reaction. In other words, we can say that when iron 2 is converted to iron plus 2 by losing 1 electron is called an oxidation reaction. In fourth example, Sn plus 2, when tin in Sn plus 2 state, it will loses 2 electron. When it loses 2 electron, its oxidation in state increased to +4. When its oxidation state is changed from 2 to 4, then it is an oxidation reaction. Oxidation means loss of electron. Loss of electron means when oxidation state is increased by loss of electron, it is called oxidation. Now, the second definition is the gain of oxygen or addition of oxygen. Simple most example is burning of coal or wood in the presence of air is called oxidation reaction. In this case, as equation shows that when carbon reacts with oxygen, it gains 2 oxygen atom. Carbon gains 2 oxygen atoms and it is converted to carbon dioxide. So carbon is oxidized. So it is an example of oxidation reaction. The common daily life example is the burning of wood, burning of paper. Second example is when magnesium is oxidized or react with oxygen, it will be converted to magnesium oxide. Here it means that the magnesium gains 1 oxygen atom from oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So magnesium is oxidized to magnesium oxide by gain of oxygen. In third case, when copper reacts with oxygen or when oxygen is added to copper, copper gain oxygen to form copper oxide, and copper is oxidized to form CuO. Cupric oxide is formed. Loss of hydrogen or removal of hydrogen. When hydrogen is removed, it is called oxidation reaction. जब किसी भी कंपाउंड में से हमारे पास हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो जाएगी तो वो ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन कहलाएगा. जैसे कि बर्निंग ऑफ नेचुरल गैस, यहाँ पे ये रिएक्शन जो रिप्रेजेंट किया जा रहा है वो नेचुरल गैस की बर्निंग को रिप्रेजेंट किया जा रहा है. नेचुरल गैस मीथेन होती है. मीथेन को जब हम बर्न करते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस, बर्निंग जो है हमेशा इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर होगी, तो इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. इक्वेशन शोज डैट कि मीथेन में से जो हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो गया है और वहाँ पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बन गई है और इस तरह से मीथेन जो है वो ऑक्सीडाइज्ड हो गई है. हेयर इक्वेशन शो डैट CH4 loses hydrogen to form carbon dioxide, so CH4 is oxidized to form carbon dioxide. Now we sum up our lecture. Oxidation is defined as the loss of electron, addition of oxygen, and loss of hydrogen. I hope you understand it well. If you find any difficulty, you can ask through WhatsApp group. Thank you.